Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos, as I upload my videos weekly and you will get something new to see every week. Okay, so what type of videos I upload is like DIY fashion, hacks and vlogs and many more such things. So okay, my today's video is on Christmas, like Christmas decor. I have shown only two decor, which is you'll get it done within 50 to 100 rupees, that's all, and it's really very easy and quick. Okay, so the first thing you can see is this Christmas tree, this Christmas decor, wall decor, which I have done within 2 minutes, and it's really very easy. I hope it is looking like a Christmas tree. I felt it is looking like a Christmas tree and I liked it, so I'm going to keep on my wall for some days, so you will see this background for few days, and that's all. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it and it was really easy. So that's all, and if you are pleased and if you are trying this, then please don't forget to DM me or tag me on any of your picture as this, and that's all. Don't forget to like, share, comment below how did you like or are you going to try, and that's all. And yeah, last year maybe I showed Christmas tree and a Christmas card, so you can have a look on that also. That was with paper. And that's it. Bye bye, see you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye.